Alright guys, the mill from Precision Matthews is here. From the time I ordered it to the time it arrived, it was about 2 weeks. And I did have to have it shipped to the terminal because it's too big to unload here at the house with my tractor. The shipping weight was right at 3,000 pounds. I think it was like 27 to 29, somewhere in there. And my tractor only picked up 2,000 pounds. So here we go. Got it in. I did have the DRO installed at the factory. So let's get that put on now. Looks like it works. Now for the moment I've all been waiting for.
It's not going to be very satisfying. Wait, I get.
Gotta get past the screws and it'll go. PM1054 TV from Precision Matthews for going on about 3 or 4 months now. So I've made several projects with it. You may have seen them on the channel. You may have seen me using the machine. I really like the machine. Now, this is coming from a guy who's never used a machine of this size before. But I mean, you know, I've been used to the smaller Bridgeport over here. You can see how he pales in comparison in size-wise to this Precision Matthews. But I've been very happy with this machine. I don't really know what else to say about the machine other than it's pretty awesome. So I would say if you're sitting on the fence and you need a machine this size, don't hesitate getting it. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.